Hello guys, today I'm gonna show the easiest way to make a dash system with a stamina bar in Roblox Studio. Let's get right into it. In my last video I showed how to publish your animation. If you don't know how to, I would check that out. The only thing you have to do is create a local script in Starter Player Script, paste the script in the comments section and change the animation into your own one. If you want to change the things like speed, duration and that kind of stuff, look in the script. It says what you need to do. That's everything for this video guys. I hope to see you in the next one. See ya.